What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to BikeHub Japan. So tonight I've finally got around to installing or fitting the Purple Panda lavalier mic into my helmet. Now this is something the whole of the internet raves about, saying it's the best microphone ever, and so I just basically I had to get one to check it out for myself. So I got a really good deal on it. I think it was 40 Australian dollars including postage from eBay. It came to me directly from China and it arrived in about just over a week, so pretty good service and a very good price. Now the actual kit itself, I was very surprised when I opened the bag. It comes with a whole load of stuff, so I didn't even bother reading the description. I just knew that Purple Panda was the one to get, so that's what I ordered. But for those of you who don't know, it comes with a nice little drawstring bag. It has a old style GoPro to 3.5mm jack adapter. It comes with an extension cord. It comes with a TRS to TRRS adapter, two little clips, you know, for clipping it onto your shirt or your tie or whatever, as that's what it's designed for, I guess, lavalier mic, pin mic, and two foam sponge wind protector things, and also a dead cat. Oh my god. But the dead cat that it comes with is kind of like a really artificial fur. Obviously most dead cats are. You wouldn't actually want a dead cat floating around in your helmet. But I didn't use the one supplied because it was a bit itchy. I just feeling it by hand, I was like, oh, it feels just all horrible and fakey and artificial like. So I'm actually using a dead cat that I had myself from a previous Motovlog setup, a previous incarnation. So right now I've got the mic tucked into the cheek pad, and it's sort of wedged between the cheek pad and the chin guard, like the windshield guard inside the helmet. I'm playing music quite loudly now, so let me turn it down. It'll also be a good test if that picks it up or not. Yeah, so it's tucked away and it's also taped in place, so it's quite secure, and I'm hoping it's going to get decent wind protection. So I think I said it, but I'll repeat it in case I forgot to say it. It's right now it's got the supplied foam spongy type windshield on it, and then on top of that it's also got a dead cat, so it's a double protection, double wind protection. So I'm hoping it's going to be really good, but yeah, I won't know until I get home, so you guys are probably going to know before me. Well, actually that's not true, because I'll check it before I upload, but you get what I'm saying. I don't have a clue right now as to whether it's any good or not, but the overall quality of it, I mean, it looks pretty decent. It doesn't, you know, jump out and say, wow, this is a real high-end level mic. It still looks kind of cheap to me, but it's got a few nice touches on it, you know, like on the plug, the jack, it's got the Purple Panda logo, plus all the accessories that it came with are really nicely made. I guess it's one of those you get what you pay for things. It's not super duper high quality like Audio Technica could be, but for the price, like I've seen them for $100 US on some shops, so fuck knows what that's all about. But I paid 40 Australian dollars including post, so I think I got myself a deal. And yeah, if this turns out to be a positive test, then I would definitely recommend it. But yeah, we won't know that until I get home in about 5 minutes. But yeah, up until now I've been using an iPhone microphone, sort of cleverly, I guess. I removed the inner vent on the chin bar of my helmet, because, well, there's no point having that anyway, because when you've got a GoPro right in front of the vent, it doesn't work anyway. So I literally cut the inner vent out, the kind of like switch part of it that moves, the toggle switch moves up and down, and I stuffed the iPhone mic in there with a bunch of foam and some dead cat material, and that worked pretty well. But a lot of people said my voice was kind of muffled and didn't sound as good as it could, or it didn't sound as good as my old Motovlogs when I had my Arai helmet. And yeah, that is 100% true. When I had my RI Tour Cross 3, the setup on my helmet was freaking awesome, and I loved it. It was so clear, you could hear the engine noise, you could hear the voice all at the same time, and it was basically just, you know, how it was going into the GoPro adapter. I just hit the record button and that was it. Whereas recently I've been recording into an external recorder and then having to like hit the horn to synchronize the audio, and then get into the software and open up the wave file, and then look at the where the big peaks are, and then figure out that's the horn, and then slide it across, and it's kind of a pain in the ass. So right now I've got the mic plugged in directly to the GoPro Hero 9 Media Mod with yeah, absolutely nothing, just the supplied TRS to TRRS adapter. So when I do get home and stick this file into my computer, I'm not going to do any editing at all, just so that you guys can get a true feel for how it will sound straight out the camera. So I'm not going to run any high pass or low pass filters on it. I'm not going to add a limiter or a compressor or nothing. Literally, I'm not going to edit the audio whatsoever. I might improve the color on the video a bit because it's dark as fuck where I am, but yeah. So I will end the video here, and you guys can let me know what you think of the sound quality of this video. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Ciao.